nice bush as well with red things.
Yeah.
I'm orientating because I have a garden in 2 months.
Horn is full. The guy who had that house where I live,
No?
he knew about plants because my garden is always with different flowers. It's amazing. I just look a little bit after it, but everything is planted in a way
yeah.
that always keeps.
Keeps on going, yeah. Oh, here the water lilies.
We also have them. We have white. I have white, and my neighbor has pink ones. I think soon they will be, as the Indians say, soon they will be mating, and then I will have water lilies that are mixed.
I don't think so.
I have the Indians say like this. They say they mate, and then you have.
Then probably all the plants were already mixed.
No, but they keep on going. You know, it's like a miscegenation thing. Never stops. I don't know if I have a sunblock.
Oh, I have sunblock.
Yeah, I think I will take a little bit.
Yeah,
What did I do with mine? Look what I brought in case it was very warm, but it's not.
no.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be warmer.
Ah, this corner I like. Under this tree.
Oh, sorry. Let me see where I have my sunblock.
Yes.
Let me see.
There are some
Hey! Oh!
indigenous people protecting their territory.
It's not much, but it's something.
Yeah, just a little bit further.
Please
Look at the
steer.
Look, the big one. It's like, oh my god.
Beautiful, huh? Oh, this-
Aggressive.
A lot survived.
Oh, look! They're building a blue house.
It's expensive to do this kind of restoration.
What I did? Ah.
When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna put me when I'm gone. Now I have that music the whole day of my life. How old are your children, Isma? How old they are? No, but how old they are? Let's say